The fight between a Minneapolis home care company and the state over suspended payments is now headed to federal court.
It is one of several lawsuits against DHS over payment suspensions due to suspected fraud. Our Pilar Pedraza is live in the newsroom now, breaking down this lawsuit and what this could mean for Minnesotans. Pilar.
Well, the owner of Agape Home Health Services, LLC, filed the lawsuit in state court. But the Attorney General's office just got it moved to federal court, saying Agape, in part, is claiming a violation of its due process rights under the U.S. Constitution. That would be the 14th Amendment. What happens with this case could impact a number of providers dealing with similar payment suspensions. In its lawsuit, Agape Home Care Services, LLC, says DHS suspended its Medicaid payments because it suspected the agency of fraud, but adds, quote, DHS's notice does not identify any Agape-specific false claim, billing irregularity, documentation deficiency, audit finding, client, employee, service date, provider number, business unit, or other provider-specific conduct by Agape that DHS contends is fraudulent. This echoes what Agape's owner told 5 Eyewitness News last year when the state first sent him the notice of suspension.
No reason. They just say your payment is on hold.
Can you think of any reason why there would be allegations of fraud against your company?
Absolutely not. Absolutely not.
The lawsuit says one of Agape's owners does own a partial interest in another business, Healthy Living Home Healthcare, which is under fraud investigation. They argue common ownership alone is not a substitute for the review required by state law.
And the question is, how entangled are those things?
Michael Bryant is an attorney who's watching this case and says the key point is
there some nexus or some connection between the two that the state has a right to do something like this?
What the court decides in this case could impact several other cases. State and federal court records show at least a dozen providers have sued the state over withholding Medicaid funds due to what the state calls credible allegations of fraud. Several of them include the same objection as Agape's lawsuit, that DHS stopped payment to all businesses under the same principal ownership, regardless of whether there was a credible allegation of fraud at the business listed in the lawsuit.
The state has taken this action to not pay, and what are the consequences if they're wrong about that?
And we reached out to DHS for this story, and we're told they would provide written answers to our questions, such as why they suspended payments to Agape specifically and how many lawsuits they're facing over suspended payments. About half an hour ago, though, they told me they wouldn't be able to get those answers to us in time for this story. We will continue to ask those questions and bring you the answers when we get them. Pilar Pedraza, 5 Eyewitness News.
Pilar, thank you.